What's up, you guys? It's ZacJacDan back with another Every Marvel Legends video. This time we're talking about Every Moon Knight Marvel Legends. So back in the Toy Biz days, in the MODOK wave, we had two different Moon Knights that were released. We had the darker black version here. And then the variant we had was the silver version, which I actually like better. Just my opinion. So then Hasbro, in the Vulture Wings Build-A-Figure wave, gave us a newer version of the Moon Knight. I wasn't really impressed with this one. My son liked it better, but I like the Toy Biz classic one better. Then we have a Walgreens exclusive, should be up for pre-order, with the Moon Knight figure. Has two alternate heads there, one with the dark face, one with the white face. So here's all three of them compared to each other, loose. Here they all are in package. And here is a wish list, or a most wanted list, of Moon Knights for the future of Marvel Legends. You got the Earth X costume, you got the Khonshu Egyptian looking costume, and you got the suited version. Love to see any of these come out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave any kind of comments. Hit the notification bell so you're aware of any new videos that I have. Subscribe to the channel. Check out my other Every Marvel Legends videos on the playlist above and my top 10 lists. Also check out my son Zach Legends channel, where he's got Marvel Legends reviews and news. I'll talk to you guys later. Guys, don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. You can find all the photos that you want of these videos.